Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is lesson 63 practice set. I'll do the start problems in a different video. Let's go ahead and get started. Where's my cursor? There it is. Okay, so lesson 63 is about what's called symbols of inclusion. And this can include parentheses or brackets or braces. Okay? And the key is to start with the ones that are the furthest in. So let's take a look at A. We have brackets, but we also have parentheses inside the brackets. So we're going to start here. Okay? So I'm not going to do anything. Let me actually bring this down here and kind of show you what this looks like. So I have 100 minus 3 bracket 2 times 6 minus 2 parentheses bracket. So I'm going to do this first. And when I do this step by step, I only change the part that I'm working on. So I have 100 minus 3 bracket 2 times 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, so the 100 we're not dealing with yet. The 3 we're not dealing with yet. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, 100 is still there. 3 times 8 is 24. And then 100 minus 24 is 76. So that's our answer to the first one. Okay. All right. I like to have lots of room when I work these out because I work them out step by step. So if you need to pause this or rewind or go back and watch, that's perfectly fine. So for this one, the inclusions, the symbols of inclusion that are furthest in are right here. So I'm going to go ahead and write down everything that I don't affect. 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay. And then, of course, we're just leaving the 30 there. 40 minus 8 is 32. This is negative 2. That's interesting because we haven't done positive and negatives yet. But we will. Okay, let me change colors. Let me bring this one down. 10 plus 9 times 8 minus 7 over 6 times 5 minus 4 minus 3 plus 2. So we're going to have to do the top, and then we'll do the bottom, and then we'll do the division. So on the top, I have this multiplication right here in the middle. So the 10 doesn't change. 9 times 8 is 72 minus 7. Now that I have addition and subtraction, I can go from left to right. 10 plus 72 is 82. 82 minus 7 is 75. So let me put that, that's our numerator. Okay, down here we have a similar situation where we have 6 times 5. We're going to have to do that first. So I have 30 minus 4 minus 3 plus 2. 30 minus 4 is 26, minus 3 is 23, plus 2 is 25. 25 goes into 75 3 times. So that's my answer to C. All right, so here we have D. It has 1 plus 2 times 3 plus 4. Since that's in parentheses, we're going to do that first. So that's 7 minus 5, and this is the numerator. So then I have 1 plus 2 times 7 is 14 minus 5. So I have 1 plus 14 is 15 minus 5 is 5. So that's my numerator. Let's go ahead and do our denominator. So I have 10 minus 9 times 8 minus 7 is 1. So I have 10 minus 9, which is 1. So this is 5. Okay. Let me change colors and see if I can fit E here as well. So on E, I have these absolute value bars. These are also considered symbols of inclusion. I should have put them over here. Absolute value is also a symbol of inclusion. So what I have, where'd my cursor go? 12, let's see, 12 plus 3, because I know I'm not going to do anything with that. Times 8 minus, and the absolute value of negative 2 is positive 2. So I'm going to go ahead and do that first. 12 plus 3, nothing happens there. 8 minus 2 is 6. I'm going to have to do the multiplication here. 12 plus 18, which is 30. You may want to write these in your spiral so you understand how to do them. And these are the starred problems. So let me go back. If you have any questions, please let me know.